In the beginning, when you are going to log in your account of Jar Lifestyle, you have to click on this link https://secure.jarlifestyle.com/login. If you click on this, the login interface of Jar Lifestyle opens up. Now you'll type the username and you will type the password. After you have typed the password, you will click on login. Your account will open up. You will see there a newsletter which is saying I have read the message. Always click on the newsletter. So this is a proof for the company that you are opening your account. Now this is your account, and if you see here, just below your name, it is written referral link. And below the referral link, this is the link which is written there. How will you copy this one? You click on this blue box. It says link copy to clipboard. You OK it, then paste it to the person's account, whoever you are going to make a new member. So let me show you. Now after clicking on that particular link, this particular sign up form will open up. The first line will be full name in capital letters. So the person whose sign up you are doing, because the person is new, he or she may not know it, you may have to do it for on behalf of him or her. Remember, you have to write the name, full name, always in capital letter. And also remember, you are not going to do any abbreviation. Whatever the identity card is, exactly like that spelling, you have to write the full name. The second line is the username. If you see, the indication is written there at the bottom. It is saying you have to use small alphabets, A to Z, any alphabets, and you have to use the number 0 to 9. Other than this, you are not going to use anything else. So this is how I've used the username for this particular person. You use certain numbers combination that it is very unique. Otherwise, if somebody else has used this particular username, you have to do it again and again. So to avoid this, use some numbers, at least 3-4 numbers after the name, so that it can be your unique username. Next line will be appearing your username, means you are the sponsor, your username is there. After that, it will be asked to type the Gmail. Now Gmail or the email, whatever it is, you have to type exactly as it is 2 times. Don't make any mistake in typing the Gmail. Next, you have to type the country name. Usually you have to select the country name and then you have to do it. This is how to, I am teaching you how to sign up. After writing the country name, you have to fill in the phone number of that particular new member you are going to do. Remember, this phone number is going to be that particular phone number the member is going to recharge, load and use it for this particular account purpose. That means he or she is going to watch the advertisements with this phone number, and this phone number has to have in the beginning the country code. So this is a Sierra Leone country code, that is +232. So if it is your country, that is Philippines, you have to write +63 before your phone number. Is that clear? And also remember, the phone number what you are writing, that phone number has to be recharged and that has to be used for the viewing the advertisements. If you watch the advertisements using some other phone number what you have mentioned in the account and that is not matching, remember, you are not going to get any income even if it shows income. So some of you may be making these mistakes. I am warning you, please be careful about whatever phone number you are using for that particular account making. And remember, this phone number has to be used for watching every day daily ads, and you have to use that for reload also, recharge also. Next, you have to write the date of birth. The date of birth in this sense would be at first the day, then the month, finally the year. Remember, each of them has to be 2 digits. So if it is 5th, then you have to write 05. If it is 9th, you have to write 09. So accordingly, you have to write that. And year has to be in 4 digit. Finally, I have used that password. So password, what you have to do is write 2 times. That is up to you what you have to going to do. This is password, what you have to do. Password you have to do 2 times exactly as it is. And lastly, you have to click on the 2 boxes of terms and conditions to make it blue tick, and the privacy policy to make it blue tick. And thereafter, take screenshot of both the parts from top to bottom, so that this becomes a proof for you, and then you click on the sign up. Once you click on the sign up, then you see the login interface of Java Lifestyle appears. It means that sign up process has been successfully done. If you see the username, fill up the username just now what you have used for the particular sign up process, and use the password here, type here whatever password you have used there, and then click on the login. You will be able to see that your account is open. The option is with you whether you want to save the password or never. If it is not your own account, don't need to save it. If it is account of somebody else, the person who is using its own phone must save that particular password in the phone. Java Lifestyle Project 3M++. On the top you will see there is written in the blue band overview. Then beside this it's called My Team, and beside it's called Personal Details. Just below the name you will see there is the referral code of this particular person who is now going to use this referral code to put people under him or her. Also below this you are going to see the current potential income for a year, which is here mentioned as 1000 euro. Next you go a little bit down, you see there it is written register on EHA. Don't have to do anything. You go a little bit down, you will see there are 2 things. One is Java Lifestyle Project 3M++, written join the challenge. You have to compulsorily click on the join the challenge and make it okay. Even below that you will see there is another option given, Java Lifestyle Crypto, show your interest. You have to click on the show your interest. This is also to be done. After doing these 2 things, clicked it, and then the blue band disappears. So you have agreed to that. Both options must be done. Go to the top of the account, scrolling up. This is called 3- or menu bar. Always remember, every time we are going to say this menu bar or 3-, it must be always on the top left hand corner. If you click on this menu bar, a new interface comes up, opens up, where you will see, if you scroll down, extreme down, you will see the logout option. If you click on the logout option, you can log out of the account. After logging out of the account, again you go on the top and the menu bar. This time you will find at the bottom is a login option. So once you have logged out of the account, you log in again. Now you use the username and password as you know, and then you log in. Then it will ask you to verify your email. That means the email or Gmail what you have mentioned in the account, you have to type it here exactly and correctly, and then click on the verify. By any chance, if you feel that the Gmail which you have given earlier while sign up was wrong, then you can write here correctly, and accordingly you click here on the verify. Remember to do this process 2 or 3 times. Then after clicking on verify, you will see a message, a phrase verification link has been sent to that email address, that you have to now go to the mailbox. Go to your mailbox, open it, and you will find email has come to you, arrived from the company in this format. A question mark, written Java Lifestyle, then verify email, then written validate your email. You click on this, what you get is, you get something like this. Although I'm showing is mine, that will be of that particular person whom you are going to do it. That person, it will be written after you click it, the name, the username, the email. Then it will be written, please click here to verify your email address. So that click here, the blue words I have underlined to make you understand where you have to click. So you have to click on that particular click here. Your account will be verified. Instantly you will be taken to the login interface where you can log into your account. So your account is made and your email is verified. Or if you want to become a paid member, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and then go in for personal verification, which is shown as in red. But if you don't want to become personally verified, you can click on the EHA here and register on EHA. The other step I'll show you later on how to register on EHA, and you can start watching the ads. So making the account, signing up, verifying the email is most important for everybody. After signing up, it is necessary that you go on for personal verification if you want to become a paid verified member and get maximum benefits. You can register yourself on EHA and watch the advertisements and earn your money. But if you do not want to do your personal verification and want to remain a free member, you can directly go and click on the registration on EHA and then go on and do the next steps, which I'll show you in another video, where you can then qualify yourself for earning the money, but that will be as a free member, which will be 1/3 or less than that of a paid verified member. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, you can subscribe to it and put your like button, and also subscribe to all for getting all my videos.